think fast. Being a living example is just as much as being a teacher as somebody who's quote unquote a teacher from the societal aspect, or social construct of it, you know, of like, or should I say intellectual aspect of it, like sitting down with books or, or expressing things through, lectures in the classroom and things of this nature. Like, there's multiple ways of teaching, and for the most part, it's always about like being a beacon. A lot of us who do speak and kind of come off with the platform of like, being a teacher from a speaking aspect is because, that's what we align with. A lot of us are great with our verbal abilities, being able to articulate things. So it just comes easy, like not even having to try. And with something that comes to you that easy, that's a part of your purpose. When something is just like a piece of cake to you, when others may see it like, oh, and not to say you need others to be amazed by what you could do, but I'm saying like, a lot of times you'll be great at it with these, and most like kind of, it doesn't come to them with that much ease and grace, And what comes with that is like being handed a weapon. Like you've been handed a weapon, so use that weapon, aka weapon, or a tool, however you want to say it, take it from a fight aspect. But you've been handed a tool to use, not to just sit there with, because sometimes we'll be handed the tool that we need to work, but then we try to go look for another tool. Like I don't want to use that tool, even though I'm good at using this tool, and that's why it was handed to me. I want to try to find another tool. It's like, again, all the things that we're great at that just comes to us with these, that's the thing for us. And back to the teaching aspect, like there's multiple people who are teachers without having any type of classroom settings, or like, whether it be like aerobics, athletics, yoga, meditation, whatever, what I'm saying? Like the teaching aspect again is just to being a living example for the most part. Because a lot of us are coming to be teachers more so in that aspect, and we don't realize it. Like, you may get like a reading, or you feel some type of vibe that's pointing towards teaching, but not realizing that, what you're teaching in essence is just, being a living, breathing example of just, expressing yourself, create, and being aligned with your soul purpose. With that being said, but like that's teaching within itself as well. So always remember, again, if it is for you to verbally, express things, then, that's what it is for you. I'm just speaking on the aspect of, almost like a little reminder that, again, like, you don't have to actually be a quote-unquote teacher in that sense to be a teacher.